Parcel ma'am sa TikTok. Parcel man nimo sa TikTok. Na ay bag ug sandal. Dapat check na mo diri ma'am. Kuan siya si Udi. 1.5.
Wala ko nag-order bag ug sandal.
Pero imo ni Kay na da pumas. Puro kwan si sumbak di daw diri man gyud good. Tapos bag ug sandal ang nakabutang sa gawa sa karton.
Wait lang mabakwaon ako phone.
Asi pa-check lang sa nawo ni ma'am kay makita man diri ang ano, tanawa daw kung mao imong number. Na ay cellphone number nimo diha. Ramo, pwede ko man patasan na. Ay, surprise!
Thank you.
Happy birthday! Dito ma'am. Oh, magkuha si ma'am kung ano ba? Dili ka mo kung ano. Parcel. Oy. Happy 27th birthday. Sir, dali sir.
Wala pa ko
Sige lang Wa pa mangyapon. Kabalo ka ma'am kung kinsay nagpadala. Sige na message. Happy birthday me. Thank you so much for all your help and for always sharing your blessings with me. After almost 2 years of working together, we've become someone very special, like a part of my life and family. I truly appreciate all your advice, motivation, and for patiently listening to my endless rants about life. Wishing you nothing but happiness and success because you truly deserve all the best things in the world. Love you, me, from Teng.
Thank you.
Napay isa. Happy birthday to you, Kai. May this year be your best one yet. Cause IKYK.
If you know, you know.
Wow, you're already living the dream. I wish your new 360 days be filled with more exciting adventures, beautiful moments, and continued success. You deserve it. You deserve all the happiness in the world, and always remember you are worthy of everything. Love you, success, and everything in between, simply because you are you. We love you, and happy birthday from Dina.
Thank you, te.
Nagluha naman si ma'am. Oy. Ma'am, mga imong message para sa nagpa-surprise.
Wala, thank you. Wala ko nag-expect. Thank you, guys. I love you. Thank you.
Isas-
Tapos na siya na idea. Wala na po nakapangayon sa yard message. Busy natin siya.
Kay Tommy, nga message. Thank you, Tommy. Thank you so much. I appreciate everything, Tommy. I feel so loved today. This might be one of my happiest birthday. Thank you so much, guys. I love you, team.
Ala, oy. Madala man to sa tears ni ma'am. Tears of joy na, ma'am.
Wala
Okay.
ko ilis.
Sige lang, gwapa mangyapon. Sir, basin gusto pa nimo i-greet si ma'am o personal na greetings sa iyang birthday karon. Sige, dali dire sir.
Okay, happy birthday lang. I'm praying for your good health and God continue to bless you more and success, happiness in life para more blessings. Palitan ko yung blessing.
Ay, sana all.
So I'm always proud of you and everything you achieve. I'll always be right here beside you no matter what, supporting you through everything. You truly deserve kung sa mga nangyahabot ka lang. Happy birthday in advance.
Thank you. I love you.
Wala kiss dira sir. Oy. Ay, sana all kaayo no. Ma-feel yun na mo ba ang happiness pod ni ma'am karon nga adlaw no.
Wala ko ilis, ma'am.
Sige lang, gwapa man gyapon as always. Sige, kanta na sa ato si ma'am happy birthday. Ugma pa yung birthday ma'am no.
Nga pa.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Dagan kayo nag-love sa imo, ma'am, no?
Dili gini na ko ipasaba.
Deserve.
Birthday na ko.
Wala, ay. Okay. Make a wish and blow your candle. Yay! Oh, amen dyan no sa sa wish. Taas kayong birthday wish. Kabalo ko nga ang wish ni ma'am dili lang para sa iyang self kundi para sa tanan tao no nga nakapalibot og naglove sa iya ha. Ma'am, kami dahil ang Sweet Jewel of Surprise sa Kidapawan. Happy mino nga kami ang napili nila sir para maghatod karon og sorpresa dire og nanginaot me nga nalipay ka karon nga adlaw.
Yes po, thank you ma'am.
Nalipay?
Happy parcel dyan wala ko lagi order bago sapatos.
Oo. Nya happy ta karon?
Yes po, thank you kayo.
Wow.
Nindot kayo yung puan ma'am.
Happy birthday. Oh, palakpakan na to si Ma'am Kai.
Sweet joy, wheel of surprise sa Kidapawan, delivering happiness higit pa sa inaasahan. Cakes, foods, bouquet, and gifts galore. It's a one-stop shop and we've got much more.
Surprise!
Lahat ng
Galing to sa Sweet Joy Wheel of Surprise Kidapawan. Ang saya, di ba?